Did you know that high-levels workflows allow you to automatically call a lead and connect them with somebody on your team? And since research shows that 78% of customers will always choose the company that responds to them first, this is a huge feature that I want to show you. I'm Andrew, and let's dive right in. Using this feature is easy as creating one workflow under our automation section by clicking Create Workflow and starting from scratch. Now, the awesome workflow action that allows us to do this is our IVR action, which we can look up by searching IVR. We can use this awesome feature with a simple workflow by setting up one trigger. For example, let's say a lead has submitted a form, and after they submitted this form using this saved workflow trigger, we can add an action to call, which will then, and after a lead submits a form using this workflow trigger that we just saved, we can then assign the lead to a user, let's say our salesperson that's going to be calling this lead, using our assign to user action here. Then we can select our user, and now whenever a lead submits this form, they'll get assigned to the user, and then we can add an action to call, in which using this action, it will then immediately call the user, play this quick whisper message, which is going to allow the user to know who the contact is, and any other information like that, simply by adding in custom values on the right-hand side. Just like this, our salesperson will get a call, be notified that they have a new lead, named whatever the lead's name is, and then as we can see here, they will be connected after they press a key. They can press 1, 0, and then whenever the salesperson presses a key using our connect call after key press feature, then the call will immediately be connected to the lead just like that. Using this simple workflow with one trigger, two actions, we can publish it, save, and then we'll be good to go. Almost any business can benefit from workflows like this, which will allow them to collect leads, convert them into calls, which will convert them into sales. So get out there, use this feature for yourself, use it with your clients, and as always, thank you for watching.